Hi, everybody, and welcome to the PegEx podcast. Today, we're talking about whether you should develop your own business management software solution or buy something already developed. My name is Michael Bryant. You need business management software, period. Recent history demonstrates that the future belongs to those companies that digitize their operations first, and that those who languish often have no future at all. Sears, Shopko, Kmart have all gone out of their way to prove this point. This is because there's often little difference between the quality of goods and services offered by companies that flourish versus those that don't. Instead, significant differences are found, one, in how companies are able to handle, organize, and control their goods and services, and two, the quality of customer relations, e.g., order handling, status reports, communications, online invoicing, troubleshooting, response times, and more. It's no different for hazardous waste management providers. In virtually any business beyond a certain size, continued growth demands business management software to handle, organize, and control goods or services, and to integrate and automate all sales, marketing, and customer data. In the 21st century, such a software solution is the only way to remain competitive, maintain client relations, ensure customer retention, and grow sales. So the question becomes, should you develop your own business management software? Funny you should ask. The advantage to developing your own business management software is control. You can create custom technology precisely tailored to your business. On the downside is cost, in a big way. According to some experts, developing small software solutions tend to run $50,000 to $75,000. Medium solutions are around $75,000 to $200,000, and large complete solutions are $250,000 to $500,000 and more. And this does not take into account ongoing maintenance once it's done, or more development needed when your company grows or there are changes in your industry. And that's without even considering the cost of all those barbecue potato chips and Fritos. Developers like their munchies. So the case for buying something already developed is compelling. What about the case for buying off-the-shelf software? It's exactly the opposite for purchasing software. Cost is often better in a major way. You don't have as much control. You'll need to subordinate some of your processes to the software. For example, hazardous waste management requires a great deal of form filling and reporting to state, local, and federal authorities, all of which must fit the ever-changing letter of the law. Generic software is unlikely to accommodate such an esoteric requirement, so you'll need some sort of workaround. Either keep with your legacy system for form filling and reporting, or maybe develop your own software for that one facet of your business. So what's the best fit for hazardous waste management companies? As a hazardous waste management provider, it's unlikely you employ a nest of software geeks for whatever purpose. If you did, it might make sense to set them loose concocting your very own business management software. But there are two disincentives here. First is what your niece with the MBA would call opportunity costs. Doing so will take your software team away from whatever you did hire them to do in the first place. And you'll have to pay for that lost productivity one way or another. Maybe overtime, maybe adding more geeks. Nothing's for free. Second has to do with a specialized expertise. As smart as your coders might be, it's unlikely they are schooled and experienced in the nuances of business management software, especially the nuances of the hazardous waste industry, or we wouldn't be having this conversation. All that said, the argument for buying software off the shelf as opposed to inventing your own is formidable. Consider instant gratification. Out-of-the-box software is turnkey and immediately available. You can have it virtually tomorrow and fire it up. On the other hand, development takes a ton of time, sometimes a year or more. No development risk. Existing solutions have been tested and used by other companies, i.e., the beta testing is done by other people and their employees and their customers, not yours. You might want to drop those other people a nice thank you note if they're still in business. Lower cost. Back to your niece who's an MBA, who will lecture you about amortization. Companies dedicated to building software spread the development across many clients, so the full amount isn't the price you pay. Conversely, even if you could develop software for the same cost, you couldn't amortize it. You are its only user. You bear the full freight. Next, support. Software companies maintain help desks and other interfaces solely dedicated to the customer support. In contrast, help, maintenance, and troubleshooting will be a never-ending distraction for your own software team, who will frequently have to put aside their main gig to help your internal end users, and nobody will be happy. Trust us on this. Then there's regular upgrades. EPA rules often change, which requires that you regularly update your software, meaning more time and more resources and more money. Conversely, software companies regularly update their products. They might give you minor updates for free or offer significant discounts on the newest versions. Robust business management software is nowadays crucial for keeping you competitive, as it greatly improves the way you handle, organize, and control your hazardous waste management products and/or services. It will also remove inadvertent roadblocks to doing business with you, as modern-day customers want to be able to interface with you digitally, both from their desktops and their smartphones. You need a business management software solution, and there's one specifically designed for hazardous waste management companies, and that's the PegEx platform. So actually, you can have it both ways. The hazardous waste experts at PegEx leverage their combined knowledge of the hazmat industry to develop the PegEx platform. It's software developed specifically for the hazardous waste management companies to streamline the handling, organization, and control of products and services. The PegEx platform also features robust state-of-the-art customer relation tools that eliminate the need for expensive separate CRM systems. As such, the PegEx platform offers you virtually the same degree of control as an in-house custom-made solution, but for up to 20 times less the cost in some cases. Some of the advantages include immediate availability, out-of-the-box and turnkey, no development risk, thoroughly tested and proven, robust customer support from our hazmat dedicated software experts, regular upgrades. We keep you abreast of changing EPA requirements. Find us online at PegEx.com. Thanks.